back to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes, and not only. So if you like Greek cuisine, Greek food, yummy recipes, so then you might consider of subscribing to this channel and help my little channel to grow so I can shoot more videos for you, more yummy recipes, and you know, all that like, comment, subscribing, they're helping my channel to grow. So please do if you like it, and I really appreciate it. I can't wait to reply to all of your comments. Today I'm making actually my daughter's and most of my friends' favorite recipe of mine. It's the Greek Yemista. It's a Greek style vegetables. I can't say that word right. I think I'll go for veggies. It's a Greek style veggies, stuffed peppers, tomatoes with a yummy, delicious rice with ground meat. And I can't wait to shoot one more time that recipe because it's already on the channel. It was on the first year of that amazing experience of Greek and Simple. So you can check that out too, but it's gonna be a fresh video, fresh recipe. With a fresh way of shooting the video and good equipment, because when I started this channel I was shooting with my phone. So yeah, let's see our fresh new Gemista. First thing I'm going to do is to add olive oil on my skillet. Now I'm going to add the onion. Now it's the time to add our ground meat. Tomato sauce is coming next. Of course, I can't avoid of adding daphne or bay leaves. Some water. After adding water and salt and pepper, I'm going to let it cook in a low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until all the water is evaporated. So after that, I'm gonna add my herbs and rice. You can clean your veggies while your meat is cooking. I think that's the best time to do it. So when the mixture is ready, you can stuff your Now we're gonna stuff our Gemista with our amazing stuffing that it's ready, it's cooled down. We don't want it to be like super hot, we're gonna burn our fingers. And also we don't want bacteria to grow, so that's very important. So you're gonna let it cool down a bit, not add them too hot into the veggie. Isn't that amazing? I love the smell of cooked Gemista. I always serve them with some feta, Greek salad usually, and some freshly baked bread, or you can alternate that with some tacos. It's also a good option. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you're gonna make Gemista at home and everybody gonna like it. I hope so. So if you liked it, please leave me your... Έλα, ήταν καλό.